Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir representing Cryptonomic Consultations coming to you once again. And I'm bringing you part 2 to the follow-up videos of the Binance tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to maneuver through the advanced exchange option on the Binance Exchange Market. And when you're looking at this versus the basic exchange option, the only real difference, pretty much, or big difference I see, honestly, is just the format itself, as far as the coloring and the structure of it, as well as the fact that it gives you the use of tools and indicators on this one. Now, on the basic, you do have, I believe, RSI as well. I might be wrong about the RSI. I know you do have the moving averages. As you see on this screen, they have the 7, the 25, and the 99, just like on the basic exchange option. Now, first starting off, up to the left-hand corner, we have the Binance banner, which will bring you back to the original screen. Across to the right, starting off, we have the last price. Well, first, you have the date and the timer. But we have the last price that it sold at, the 24-hour change, which is at 2.07%. We're looking at Ethereum versus BTC. You have the 24-hour high, the 24-hour low. You have the 24-hour volume, which is 8,030 BTC. 8,030 BTC. And then you have the currency pair, which is ETH versus BTC. Now, within this tab is where you will look and see the other markets available to you. So if you click that, as you can see, we have BTC. Well, first you have your favorites, which you can click and it will show you your option of favorites. You have the BTC market. You have the ETH market. You have the BNB market. And last but not least, you have the USDT market. Now, much like the other option, the basic, you can also switch the outlook of the market in accordance to pairs in alphabetical order. You can look at the price from top to bottom, high to low, low to high. You can look at the 24-hour change in the same format, high to low, low to high, as well as the 24-hour volume. Now, directly under that, what we have here is the sell orders, and these are those that are holding ETH that are waiting to sell. And under that, you have the buy orders, which is those that are holding BTC that are ready to buy. You have the market orders. You have the live market orders. To the left of the screen, of course, we have the price chart, which holds the price action in the form of candlesticks in accordance to the time frame that you're looking at. As of right now, we're looking at a 30-minute chart. And this, what I'm going to show you now, is one of the big differences between the advanced and the basic. And actually a big plus if you are the type that likes to use tools and indicators and are familiar with them. So off top, you still have the same minute options: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. The same hour options: 1, 2, 4, 6, and 12. 1 day, 1 week. And now when we get over here and we look at tools, right? When we hit tools, you see we have a number of options. Off top, I'm going to pick Fibonacci line because I love using the Fibonacci tool. And we're going to pull it from the swing high to the swing low. Hold on. Let me clean that up because I believe I did place the wrong one on there. Hey, what happened to the price action? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take Fibonacci. Now that we got the screen back clear, we're gonna pull Fibonacci from the high down to the swing low. Let's slide this up a tad bit more. And what we can see clearly is that the Ethereum price action retraced down only about 19.10% so far, and has met support at the 19.10% Fibonacci retracement line. Once again, we're using Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci line on the advanced exchange option of the Binance Exchange Market. And looking at it with this, using this tool, we're able to see that Ethereum has retraced and met a significant amount of support at the 19.1% Fibonacci line. Now, when we go and we look at the indicators, off top we already see we have MACD at the bottom, and we have the moving averages within the price chart itself. As we can see, we have the 7-day, the 25-day, and the 99-day. So if we go into the indicators, what we'll do is we'll throw on some Bollinger Bands, and we will change MACD to RSI, which is Relative Strength Index. So off top, we can see right now on the RSI that Ethereum, for the most part, is coming down, and it seems to be bouncing off the 50% retracement line. 50% RSI. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, we did meet resistance when it went past the top Bollinger Band. Right now, it was being rejected over the last couple of hours. It was being rejected by the top Bollinger, so we can see it retrace back down, hit the 20-day moving average possibly, which we can see in the past, as indicated back here. It was a strong line of support. So the 20-day moving average supported this from, what is this, the 15th at 2230 hours. So the 15th from 2230, roughly 22, all the way up until the next day at 1700 hours. The 20-day moving average supported the price action. So that was enough support to catapult it. It hit the top Bollinger Band, was rejected down just a tad bit, and right now we're seeing a bit of consolidation, forming sort of a triangle or a pendant. Not really. I can go on TradingView and check it out, but these are some of the tools and indicators that they do give you available on the advanced exchange option on the Binance Exchange Market. Over here, under the buy and the sell windows, are your actual buy and sell options. So on the left, you have buy, and it will show you your balance of BTC. On the right, it would allow you to sell the asset that you bought, and it will have the balance of that asset. Once again, much like the basic exchange option, you have limit, which allows you to pick the price that you want to buy or sell at. You have market, which will allow you to buy or sell at the current price that it's selling at. And then you have stop limit, which will allow you to set a trigger price that will then trigger your buy or your sell order. Over here to the left, we have the order screen, where you can see open orders, order history, your trade history, as well as your current funds. And it's as simple as that. At first sight, it may seem a little confusing, but it's fairly easy once you get to integrate yourself with the system. So this was, like I said, the number 2 to the follow-up series of the Binance tutorial video. I hope the viewer, you got something out of this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share this video if possible. Until the next video, this is Amir representing Cryptonomic Consultations. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am out of here.